Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.
Right, good morning everyone. Welcome to another Cars.co.za drag race. My name is Ciro De Siena. I am in an Audi RS6 Avant. Ashley Oldfield, my colleague, is in a Mercedes-AMG E63 S. And we are going to quarter mile and rolling start these two cars. But before we get started, are you looking for a used car? Good, you've come to the right place. Cars.co.za has the largest selection of used and new cars in South Africa online right now. Check it out. Okay, boom, end of the sales plug, back to the race. So, the new Audi RS6, big twin turbo V8 up front, same size twin turbo in the Mercedes-Benz. On paper though, the Merc's got this one, 450 kilowatts, and we'll put the horsepower figures on the screen for you. 441 in the Audi, 850 newtons in the Merc, 800 in the Audi, 0 to 103.6 here, 0 to 103.4 there. So, looks like a little bit of a foregone conclusion, given these cars weigh almost exactly the same at just over 2 tons, but the real world is always a bit different. Audis launch really well, which helps them in drag races, and I'm hoping that if I out-launch him, he won't come back. So let's see what happens here. I'm very excited. Adrenaline's going.
If there's anything I've learned from all of these races over time is that Audis generally punt off the line pretty quickly. That launch control system is dialed in the Audi. The Merc's a little bit more rear biased, so I'm expecting a little bit of chunking and traction loss off the line, but we have more power, we have more torque. I'm likely to reel him in before the finish line. So there's a hot tip for who to pick in this drag race. Standing start, the way drag races are meant to be done, not this rolling start weird business that everyone seems to want. Launch control.
Go. Yes, that was a good launch from the Audi. Wow.
Oh, chunking of tires. Audi's got a little launch.
Oh, got a bit of a jump on him on the start. I think he's going to come back at me though, and he's starting to end ahead. No, look at that Merco, it's so quick.
Oh, there we go. Cheers, Audi.
Holy moly.
Across the line, 201. As I suspected, we've got the pace.
Jeez, that was close. Damn. Okay, Ash, I've got an idea. Let's swap cars, although you're not allowed to beat me in the Audi because that will be very embarrassing.
Let's see what happens. I'm keen to drive that Audi anyway.
Cool deal.
Right, I'm gonna jump in that other car. Cut.
Alrighty, Ash and I have swapped cars. This is potentially very bad for me because if I lose in the Merc, it immediately shows me up as being a driver. So, I have to make this Merc win. I have to concentrate. Alrighty, focus. Come on, Merc. Give me everything you got.
3, 2, 1, go!
Off the line we go, good start.
Oh, good launch there. Audi had me a little bit though, but yeah, I'm off. Once this Merc gets off the line, there's absolutely no stopping it. What a monster of a car.
Oh, there, the Merc's got it, eh?
Sheesh. This Merc is insane. Do we need this much power in our saloons?
Yeah, that was good. I enjoyed that.
Alrighty, we just did the standing start quarter mile. The Merc took it. So we thought let's do a rolling race. See if that makes a difference. See if the Audi is a bit more competitive. So we're going to get it to 30 k's an hour at the cone, and then manual mode, second gear, foot down, go for it. Quarter mile. Right, let's see what happens here.
Right, rolling start. It's not as easy as it sounds, trying to get the cars level, 30 k's an hour. I'm going to go full manual mode in here, so I'm going to use these fancy paddles on this 2-tier steering wheel. I don't see much hope here for the Audi. Alright, here we go. First gear, second gear. Give me second. There we go, we got second. Holding, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
This is tight. He's right next to me. I'm concentrating so hard I can't present, but now he's trying to pull.
Here comes the Merc.
And he's starting to edge ahead now though. We're about a quarter up the drag race.
Too much power.
Merc's got me.
Starting to go away by a long way now.
No, I think I'm going to lose this one.
Wow, just too much power.
Yeah, he's got it.
Sure, easy peasy.
Oh, that Merc's a bit mental. Thanks very much for watching. If you've just watched this video but you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you absolutely should do that immediately right now. Click the subscribe button. It's a good idea for a bunch of reasons which I actually don't have really a lot of time to go into. But it's good. It's a good idea. Excellent. Thanks for watching. I said that already.
Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.